Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today I'm going to unbox my phone lot on eBay I bought. I think I paid around 27 bucks for these. I also got a new phone case for my iPhone X. It's the Unicorn Beetle sup case. It's a clear one. So, I usually buy a lot of phones from this seller individually, so he usually does pretty decent on packaging these. So I just one-handed now. The video is going to be so terrible, I feel like it. Alrighty, first phone is a second LG Scoop. This one's with Altel as well. It's blue, but it's a little bit better shaped than the other one I have. Let's see, we also have another Samsung. I think it's let's see, 737, I think it is. Yep, 737. This one's in red. I think the other one I have is yellow or orange, one of the two. I think it's yellow though. You can get the back on, but there we go. So that's not too bad. Also, we have a Nokia with consumer cellular. I'm not too sure on the model. I think it's like a 6013. It is the 1600. I was way off on that one. And then we also have a W419, I think it is. I'm going to make sure though, just to make sure for you guys. W490, that was close. And this one is with T-Mobile. And then let's take a look at the second bundle, I should say. Here's a Casio, I think it's a Boulder, a G1 Boulder. It's an orange, kind of wanted the orange one too, so. That one's with Verizon. Here's a Nokia E71X. I think failure was really good though. I think it's metal. This is with AT&T, I think. Yeah, AT&T. Also have a LG, I think it's an Encore. I could be wrong though. Let's go and just take a look at the model number. It is a GT5500. Also, we have a Sanyo, I think it's the, I can't remember. I'm not going to guess it because I know I'm going to get it wrong. There we go. The PM8200. And these all do work too. Alright, let's go and slide these down here. This is going to be the extra ones we got to add to the phone collection now. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I know we're pushing up pretty closely on our subs. Looks like we're at 202. So that's cool. Hope you guys been liking the videos. And like I said, I'm going to go pick up a new laptop today because I broke my other Dell. I used to have the Dell D620 and it kind of worked, but it kind of piece shit, so I ended up breaking it. So I'm going to go buy a new Dell today. I'll do a video when I get home of it, and then I can start editing some more videos. I've done a whole bunch of drop tests, but I haven't been able to get them up because I haven't had a computer to do my editing on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.